Hey, Jim, how's it going? Hey, Mike, I'm glad I ran into you. Do you have a sec? Sure, what's up, Jim? So I finally got the go-ahead from Jesse to hire a new developer. My budget was finally approved. I was wondering if you could help me source that. Yeah, man, you got it. My team will be on it right away. Wait, hold up. What's up? I didn't even tell you what the requirements would be. So let me tell you that. Oh, yeah, the requirements. Right. Okay, go on. Tell me about the requirements. Okay, first and foremost, the person needs to know Python. It's the biggest requirement for us right now. Firstly, that is awesome. But do you mean like at a doctorate level? Okay, I'm not sure why that's awesome, but yeah, they need to know it very, very well. So like a zoologist, right? A what now? A zoologist, or do you want someone that really works with pythons? Ooh, I know a guy that like handles a lot of pythons. Would that work? I'm not talking about. Actually, does it have to be pythons? I know another guy that knows a lot of, like, plays with a lot of cobras, which I think is pretty cool. So I think I could find you a guy that plays with cobras and pythons. Mike, what do you think of that? Man, Python is a coding language. Like an HP? Are you referring to Hewlett-Packard? No, man, like Harry Potter. You know, like when he talks to the snake? Remember that? Mike, it's for programming. Oh, right. Go on. Okay, after Python, the person really needs to know Django. That's the number 2 most important skill. Who doesn't know Django at this point? A lot of people don't know Django. Who has not seen Django? Quentin Tarantino is the GOAT. No, again, Mike. Actually, speaking of QT, how about we get someone that knows Black Mamba? I could definitely get you that. We just established it's not a snake. Oh, right. It's not a snake. Okay, go on. So he needs to know Python and Django. Do you understand? Yes, I got it. You're saying yes, but your face is saying no. Trust me, I got it. Okay, the third skill that's most important is the person needs to know how to code in Java. So when you say heavy user, do you mean like someone that uses it once a day, twice a day, or like a really heavy drinker of it? Is that what you mean? A heavy what now? Java is a coffee, right? Again, Mike, I think I said it. Java is a programming language. Oh, right. Go on. Okay, if you got it, explain to me what Java is. So when you go to Starbucks, you have to use like their language, like tall, grande, venti, or you look like an idiot, right? No. I'm 100% sure that that's what it is. But to be honest, you're being a little bit ambiguous. You know what, Michael? Forget about it. It's all good. So no snakes in the office? I love snakes. You know what? Forget about it, Mike. I'm just gonna call NewConfig. Hey, Jim, don't go. I got this. We'll be fine.